Okay, guys, my name is TMNmedia. I would like to let you know that anybody and everybody can actually learn to become a digital entrepreneur, meaning you can trade, buy and sell for profits margin from your mobile phone. Just using with an internet access and with a little capital as low as $50 or $100, you can start making money by yourself. But first and foremost, a disclaimer here, you need to learn first. You learn the process of how to trade properly, because you've not done it before. You need to learn the process of how it's done. It is not gambling. Okay, it is not gambling, it's trading. You are predicting the market is going to go up or is going to go down. Every day you can be doing this, and watch the next video. I'm going to show you how I trade every day making daily profits. It's doable by anybody, but apart from the basic requirement, you must have at least 1 month set aside for learning. You have to learn first. You learn, you practice what you're learning, then you will start earning. And I also have a package for most of my students who subscribe to learn, for them to first and foremost be able to concentrate. So we have a copy trading you can connect to. We have signal service you can connect to. You don't have to even stress yourself. You can be generating signals and seeing the signals themselves for you to trade with. You need to learn. Don't be in a hurry. If you're in a hurry, you're not going to make any money. There is no guarantee anywhere. If anybody is guaranteeing you, oh, you're sure you're going to make money, the only guarantee you have in making money as a digital entrepreneur trading is yourself. How much discipline would you have? How much discipline would you put into learning and perfecting the skill? It's just like somebody going to learn mechanic work. It's just somebody going to learn furniture work or baking, fashion designer. You must learn the rudiment, the skills, cutting, designing, stitching. You must learn these things. They are important. They are the basic. There is also the basic of trading. There are factors, there are things you must have and you must know about. So it is not a get rich quick scheme. Anybody promising you, oh, bring 100, collect 300, they want to scam you. Okay, it is a slow and steady business. Can you be making 500,000, 300,000, ₦1,000,000 every month? Yes, it depends on how much you're willing to risk and how much you have learned and understand over time. So it requires time for you to learn. I do this every day, trade every day and learn, and I've also learned to automate the whole process as well. So I need you to understand you must put in some effort. So it is not, oh, it's already made, just learn. No, not at all. Watch how I just trade in this. I'm going to switch over to my phone right now, showing you how I'm doing this trade. God bless you.
I just want to do one more trade, and just so that I can show you a single trade. Okay, that's my entry. I've already made my entry, so you can see my trade has already pulled through. Now probably I should show you, I just made like $8. Okay, now I've already made $30 today, like $33 or so. So probably let me show you from the profit table so that you understand. Anybody can do this. I was trading with $98. You can see today's zone 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the trades I've done today. And if you look at the time, I started around 9:42 and I stopped at 10:12. That's about roughly 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, I'm done for today's work. How much did I make? That's about 15,000 naira plus. Always collect your money. I don't waste my time. If I made profit, I always make sure I collect my money. So you can see orders almost virtually every day. make withdrawals. Once you make the profit, you collect it, you cash out. So you can easily collect your money every time, anytime you want. You don't necessarily have to wait for so long. Now this is my order here. You can see this today's profit, $38. I've already put it on market for sale. Somebody's gonna buy it, pay me cash, and they are gonna use the dollar. So that's how it works. Everybody can do this, but not everybody, because you need to be consistent. You need to learn the process first. Okay, you can see I traded from my account here and I'm cashing out. So it's slow and steady. That's how it's done. That's how it is every day. You can see. So daily profits. You take, you work, you earn. God bless you. See you in another time. Hey, somebody is going to pick the order. If you're wondering, yeah, I've already made videos that covered how to cash out. You're going to see the orders, like all these past orders that have been sold. Okay, they're going to pay you your cash, so you're not giving your money to anybody to hold. No third party, no whatever. You are free to run anytime you want. God bless you. See you in another video.